Modular and prefabricated systems in HVAC and water systems, explained in 60 seconds. Conventional HVAC installations brings different components together on site, making the construction process expensive and complicated. While you can't pre-assemble a full HVAC and water system in a building, you can adopt a modular mindset and easily get several subsystems to fit perfectly together. Modular solutions like mixing loops and pressure boosting systems are prefabricated, pre-wired, pre-tested and pre-commissioned, minimizing installation mistakes and reducing costs for up to 50% faster installation and commissioning and 40% faster BMS integration.